create account of Chamet app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the account of Chamet app. So if you want to create the account of Chamet app, first of all you have to download the Chamet app on your device. Just go through your Play Store or Apple Store and download the Chamet app on your device. So here you can see your Chamet app, which is known as the live video chat and meet. Here just go and tap on the install option to install this app on your device. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed here. So once you have installed the Chamet app on your device, just go for the open option and open up that app on your device here. So after that, you have to access the location on your Chamet app. Just go for the while using this app. So here you can see that you can connect it through your Google or phone or Gmail here. You have to just go for the start option and you have to create your. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction here. Just go for the confirm option here. On the bottom, you can find your profile here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create your account on your Chamet app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.